And I looked back and my car was just rocking like this on the ground.
Seeing the scope and the magnitude of what the volcano is doing from the air really kind of put it into context of the seriousness of the situation.
There's no sign of slowing down. It seems like the flows are extending further than from the fissures, so the eruption is progressing.
What's going to happen? What's going to happen with us? You know, if we lose our farm, we don't know where we're going to go. You lose your income and you lose your home at the same time.